are you going, Riaz?
I am going to the market.
Do you need anything from there?
Yes, I need to buy some groceries.
What kind of groceries?
I need fruits, vegetables, and some snacks.
Do you usually go alone?
Yes, most of the time I go alone.
Which market do you prefer?
I prefer the nearby market
Why do you like that market?
because it is clean and the prices are reasonable.
Do you check the quality before buying?
Yes, I always check carefully.
That's a good habit.
It helps me avoid bad products.
What fruits are you planning to buy?
I will buy apples, bananas, and mangoes.
Mangoes are my favorite.
Mine too. They are very tasty.
Do you also buy vegetables?
Yes, I need potatoes, onions, and tomatoes.
Do you bargain with shopkeepers?
Sometimes, if the price is too high,
That's smart.
it saves some money.
Do you take your own shopping bag?
Yes, I always carry my own bag.
That's good for the environment.
Yes, we should avoid plastic.
How do you usually pay?
I usually pay in cash.
Do you ever use online payment?
Yes, sometimes I use it.
What do you do after shopping?
I come back home and organize everything.
Do you help your family in the kitchen?
Yes, I help them when I am free.
That's very nice of you.
We should always help our family.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it sometimes.
Why only sometimes?
Because it can be tiring.